Do you need to get your house ready for showings? I'm here to help. Here are 8 simple things you can do to get your house ready for those house hunters. And at the end, I'm going to tell you how to get my free checklist that will give you everything you need to know step by step, room by room. So stay tuned. I'm Cami Hall with CamiHallRealEstate.com. Today I'm going to give you 8 things you can do to sell your home faster and for more money. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize. When a buyer walks into your home for the first time, you want them to be able to picture themselves living in the home. If your home is full of your belongings, odds and ends, family pictures, etc., it makes the buyer feel like they are intruding on your space rather than being able to imagine themselves living there. One of the biggest reasons people move is because they need to upgrade to a larger space. If your personal items are filling up the home, your prospective buyers may still feel crowded in the space and may not choose your home for that reason. Tip number 2, clean, clean, clean. First impressions are everything. In fact, buyers only spend about 15 minutes in each home they look at and usually don't go back unless they're almost certain your home is the one. So stinky smells, dirty floors, dusty shelves, etc. don't really give a good impression and will likely cause your home to drop from first pick. So make sure you give your home a good deep clean before you show it. Tip number 3, make necessary repairs. Buyers are more willing to pay top dollar for homes that are move-in ready. The hassle of moving is a task in its own, and generally home buyers don't want to do any repairs or make any improvements once they move into the home. They just want the luxury of moving in. So once you're done cleaning your house from top to bottom, it's time to start on those repairs. But don't get started with any big renovation projects because there's no guarantee that you will get the return on your investment. So here's a rule of thumb. Anything that is structural in nature or mechanical in nature should be fixed. So for example, if your heating furnace is not working correctly, go ahead and get that repaired before you list the home. Tip number 4, spruce up the interior. Put a fresh coat of paint on every wall. Gray is a popular color right now, but psychological research on the effect of color shows that more people prefer neutral beige or white walls, so take that into consideration when getting ready to paint your house. And add a little extra life to your home by making everything shine. Polish the hardware on the doors and cabinets and give hardwood floors a once-over with finishing polish. Tip number 5, check your curb appeal. Get outside and take a good look at the outside of your house. Your home's curb appeal can make or break the sale because it is the very first impression someone has when they come to visit your home. If your sidewalks are stained or dirty or your deck looks worn from the weather, rent a power washer. You can remove layers and layers and layers of dirt. And while you're focusing on the curb appeal of your home, give your front door some attention. Remember that while the buyer's agent is getting the key out of the lockbox, the buyer is usually standing in the entryway kind of looking around. So you want to make sure there are no cobwebs in the lights or on the ceiling in the entryway, and make sure you clean or even repaint your door if needed. Tip number 6, stage your home. Stage your home to highlight its best features. Home staging is becoming one of the most effective real estate marketing strategies in the industry today. Home staging ensures that the home looks its best, helps buyers visualize the property as their future home, and it captures the emotion of the buyers who are making one of the biggest purchases of their lifetime. Studies show that buyers are willing to pay 1 to 5% more on a staged home than a non-staged home, and that homes that are staged typically sell for more than 6% above asking price. Whether you choose to stage your home with your real estate agent or hire a professional staging company, definitely make sure staging is on the top of your list. Once your home is staged, take professional photos of your home for your home's listing. 90% of buyers start their home search online. The photos from your home on the internet are the very first impression that a buyer will have on your house. Home listings with professional photos sell 50% faster and 39% closer to the listing price. When potential buyers see the beautiful professional photos of your home, it will evoke an emotional response that will make them want to come see your home in person. Once your house is all ready for buyers to see, you need to create a plan for showings. A buyer can request to see the home anytime, so it's important to be prepared to leave it in a moment's notice, which means making sure the house always looks good. It may be a few weeks or a few months until your home sells, so to avoid driving yourself up the wall re-cleaning every day, try to spend as much time as you can out of the house as possible. Don't make messy meals, and find a friend or family member who can take care of your kids and your pets during showings. These 8 steps will help you to be super prepared when selling your home. So remember, declutter and depersonalize ASAP. Make sure your house is sparkling clean. Make repairs, but only the ones that are necessary. Spruce up the interior with paint and polish. Give your exterior and entryway some extra attention. Stage to highlight the best features. Take high quality photos of your house for a great first impression. And 8, make sure you have your house ready at all times for showings. You can download my free home staging checklist at the link below. This home staging checklist will give you everything you need to know, room by room, step by step, so that you will be prepared to delight and inspire every buyer that walks through that door. If you liked this video, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified each time I download a new video. And I would love for you to share it with a friend, someone who might need this information. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Cami Hall Real Estate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!